Hello and welcome. TS Galaxy winger Puso Ditejani has joined Major League Soccer outfit Chicago Fire on a 4.5-year deal. He signed a U22 initiative. The club's director and head coach, Greg Berhalter, has confirmed. Puso Ditejani, who was on the radar of Kaizer Chiefs and also Mamelodi Sundowns, has opted to go overseas with Chicago Fire. Remember, this is the second signing that Chicago Fire is making from South Africa. Firstly, they signed Mbekezeli Mbokazi from Orlando Pirates, and now they've signed Puso Ditejani. So let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of South African young players going to the MLS? Do you think that it will be good for their development, and also maybe they would have a one step into Europe? Let me hear your thoughts regarding that. And do you think that Puso Ditejani made a good move by going overseas instead of another local club? Let me hear your thoughts regarding that. And in other news, Orlando Pirates have announced the signing of Daniel Msendami and also Mpho Tshabatsani from Marumo Gallants. Daniel Msendami is a Zimbabwean winger who's 25 years old. Orlando Pirates said that they've signed him so that he can bring depth and competition into the squad. He can play on the left and also on the right. And when it comes to Mpho Tshabatsani, he's a left back who can also play as a center back. He plays on the left side of the center back where Mbekezeli Mbokazi used to play. So do you think that he will be a direct replacement of Mbekezeli Mbokazi, who left Orlando Pirates to go to Chicago Fire? Let me hear your thoughts regarding these two transfers by Orlando Pirates. How do you rate them? You know, Orlando Pirates, they sign players that not a lot of people are looking at, and they become superstars at Orlando Pirates. So do you think that the same will happen with these two players? Let me hear your thoughts regarding that. Now, that's the end of the news for today. Let me hear your thoughts regarding the transfer of Puso Ditejani and also Orlando Pirates signing Marumo Gallants duo Daniel Msendami and Mpho Tshabatsani. Thank you and see you next time.